Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set out of office on your Google Calendar. Actually, there are no option of out of office, but you can block your calendar into a busy. So other people are unable to invite you on that time. So for example, I already open my Google Calendar and then, for example, I want to block these days. And then here you can see I already blocked from 13 until 16 of June, and then I can click more options. It will redirecting to this detail of your event, and then click, or you can click all day or not all day. I do prefer all day, and then you can click this busy, and then make sure you already set as public, and then here under the description you can set out of office, and then you can click save. Now I already set this kind of schedule that blocking, that means I'm busy or I'm out of office or I'm on the vacation and so on. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.